stabs with the bat sometimes. It's good, well left alone. Exploit that. Straight down she goes, into the gap. Madhushka. What a delivery. Bad in the first innings, Naseem Shah. If it comes at you, you pick it up. But if it is even a foot or two, that understanding, even with the bowler, look, this walk has been very quick. Let the bowlers know to stay away from there. As quickly as they were areas. Ball won't bounce as much. Deviation change. Outside edge, it's gone through the gap and it's going to be 4. Slightly wider. Talking about deals arisen. We always like. Oh, well controlled, waited for it. He's coming to terms with angling into him. Then apply yourself if you want something out of this. 34 for no loss. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Now that's probably not the line of the off stump. Body. He does, but what he's done well today is he's used soul go down off that outside edge. His last delivery, last over. Roll. They're searching for something different, maybe a bit of wobble. Oh. Patience is key. Yes, you're ahead. Oh, playing miss again outside the stump. That's the angle. I know we spoke about this. I mean, you've been an opening bat, but up is taken. Aga Salman, the fielder. But he was Naliaga to dismiss. The most Karuna Ratne. That's a big step. They've just lost the captain. Yes. That's in the air. But unfortunately for Shaheen Shah. That's well watched. How close is that? He doesn't think that's out. They're considering it. That's 4. That's fine. Than few, I must say. That's not very well watched. Yeah. Risky. Sri Lanka need to pounce on those. Must not be playing that shot. It's a half here, and to get beaten by that length, it's just not on. Leaves it well alone. It's 60 for 1. There's a big shot in the slot and gone. This time for 4. Couple of bounces into the boarding hole. His length is on the where you need to stay. Yeah. Oh. Big shot, that's gone. Had to clear the infield, which he did quite cleverly. It's got to be Norman. The angle to the pads and Madhushka. Looks at Jason. Gone. Finger is raised. He strikes goal, and that's
and Lauren. Wicket setting, 3 reads. We'll get you back on screen. So through decision knocked out.
Oh, that's the frustration. That is the frustration. Goodness, he's very lucky. Very, very lucky. Oh my goodness. It's starting to happen.
Pakistan, the spinners.
Oh, he was looking for turn. He was looking for some turn to force it away on the.
Looking to go straighter here, I think.
Lovely shot. Leans into it. That's 50. Slightly up it. Especially against Shaheen Shah Afridi. Had a few nicks, but they really haven't. Oh, that was a nice, yes. Madushka, who was he's been picked up by the left arm spinner. Falling quickly, that's the fourth. That's the battle, isn't it? Between that's through, that'll be 4. Lots of runs have come towards the third man area. Oh, brilliant from Sarfraz. Threw himself to it and got a hand. Yeah, dexterity. And again to third man. He's trying to invite the batter to drive. I do feel nick to the slips. Unlike it's Babar Azam thinking runs. Because he's already put a deep point in place. Passes the man at point. That's a boundary to it.
The ball towards the leg side. So be it. That's through. Waited on that one and crashed it as possible.
When you start scoring runs and then you
Cross back shot. Oh, on the bounce, Babar just a little bit back there in the first slip. Quite happy just milking the singles. Pakistan have allowed them that luxury. That fielder in, he may just go for that big shot. That's up and over mid-off. The fielder.
Dhananjay De Silva was very good even in the first innings. He was quite willing to come down.
Well, here's the sweep shot, and it's nicely played away. Didn't hit it with a lot of anger.
Well, when his confidence starts to grow.
Nice delivery, a little bit more flight.
.144 for 4. Counter-attacking cricket. This is so good from Dhananjay De Silva on the board, which means Pakistan will have. And again, even bigger, even further down the pitch. Wabal. Perla to end the over. One. In the air, taken.
Come on, boy!
Okay, clearly fair. Back of this man, Chandimal, who scored 28, is 159. Backed away. Created his own length to be able to hit the ball. Up at that length, my. What a catch! What a catch! A promising innings. He was promising
175 for 6 now.
playing the way he plays. Shot. Outside the off stump towards mid-wicket for yet another.
At times all into his 19th over, and clearly you see him tiring a little bit. This was a tired delivery. Did the distance. Six down, 197.
Yeah, because Nasim would prefer to bowl to Ramesh Mendis at this stage. With Dhananjay.
Oh, beautifully done. Showed him a couple of in-swingers and then allow the out-swinger with the shine. I think he's got to come up, keeper, where he stands. They're far too. gets a 50. Lovely, smooth innings. Ovation. 100 in the first innings.
Fitness to hang in there, to score runs, because this game can become about runs. The more runs they get, the more parts.
Lovely, Aga.
And it should be tea. The bails are off. So the fight back continues through Dhananjay. What a